Got some pretty amazing video, too.
That story we talked about late last night, that big hailstorm in Dallas, we knew it was going to be a big deal, and boy, was it ever.
This is the biggest hailstorm I have ever witnessed in my life. That is hail.
That is video from Dallas, as you said. Giant hailstones pounded Hannah Jones' home. You can hear her there. You can see that golf ball size and larger sized hail, but we also have some more. This hail that we want to show you now is hitting a pool in Dallas. Check out the splashes there. Baseball-sized hail reported, a lot of it. Look at all that splashing water.
You know, Leslie, after hurricanes, hailstorms are the costliest form of severe weather in Texas in terms of insurance losses, and they're already saying last night's storm in Dallas, probably a $400 million disaster, if not more. They just had baseball hail all over the Dallas area. Amazing pictures.
See that pool?
There.
Think what happened to the vehicles, or the cars around there.
Cars, roofs, skylights.
Yes.
Yeah. We had some viewer photos. Yes, you could send us pictures from anywhere in the world using our Report It app. Matt Houston getting these pictures to us from Dallas. That was one of the smaller hailstones there, a little bigger than golf ball. We had a lot of baseball-sized hail in the Dallas area, and even some softball-sized hail northeast of Dallas up in the Fannin County area, and that was a scene right there repeated all over North Texas last night. Broken car, windshields. A lot of body shops doing big business today up in North Texas. Well, back here, we can't even get any rain, much less hail. And in fact, our drought status has now decreased another category in some locations. You know, we went through April with part of our eastern viewing area being technically out of the drought. But we've never been out of the drought in Austin since it started a year and a half ago. And now we've gone back from the abnormally dry category into moderate drought in most of our viewing area. Abnormally dry to the northwest, just south of Gillespie County, back into the severe drought status. And until we get rain, this is going to worsen a little bit every single week that we get our drought update, which is every Thursday. We always try to keep you updated on Thursdays. Out there tonight, mostly sunny, 95 degrees. At 8 p.m., 90. At 10 p.m., 85. So a very warm evening is ahead. These are thermometer readings around the area right now, mainly 90s. We have a little problem with the Georgetown thermometer there. It is not 77 degrees in Georgetown, I assure you. Feels like 100 degrees in Llano. This is the heat index temperature. 100 in Austin, 100 degrees out at the airport, too. 95 in Austin right now, partly cloudy, and at the airport it's mostly cloudy. High clouds primarily. 94 degrees there. Winds are south or breezy. At least there's a breeze. 10 to 15 mile an hour wind. Sunset tonight is 8:34. Pollen count, mold finally below the high category. Can't remember last time this happened. 879 today, medium. Grass, 39, low. Around Texas, San Angelo, 101. That's not the heat index, that's the temperature. 93 up in Dallas. Some storms flaring in the heat of the day out in West Texas and off to our east. We're not expecting anything around here. Weak low in East Texas. Could generate a shower, thunder shower in our eastern counties the next couple of days, even through the weekend. But the chance of rain in any location, even off to the east, is only about 10%. Temperatures will remain unseasonably warm, mid-70s. That's a little bit above normal again in the morning. And then highs tomorrow in the mid-90s, maybe mid to upper 90s in some locations, is also a little bit above average for mid-June. In Austin tonight, late night low clouds and 76 for the low. Winds south at 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll start mostly cloudy in the morning, but then it will become mostly sunny in the afternoon with a high of about 96 degrees in Austin tomorrow. At least we're staying below 100. Last year we started hitting 100 every day about this time of the summer. Mid-90s this weekend. Notice we'll put in a slight chance, isolated afternoon showers each day through Monday. That's less than a 20% chance. But we may see a little more tropical moisture get up here middle to latter part of next week, so we'll put in a slightly better chance of rain then. I know yesterday I talked about maybe a tropical system developing down in the Gulf. Today the computer models keep that way south in the Gulf, so we'll hold off on getting too excited about that. Leslie?